Have you ever wondered how the process of machining the bars and welding them into the union bushing works? This procedure is essential in mechanical systems, such as reduction gearboxes, where the movement of one shaft needs to be transmitted to another precisely and efficiently. First, the bars that will be used in this process are machined with high precision. This work involves processes like turning, drilling, or milling to ensure that the bar has the exact shape necessary to fit perfectly inside the union bushing. The goal is to ensure that the fit between the bars and the bushing is perfect, without any play, but still allowing the necessary movement for the proper functioning of the machine. The union bushing is a cylindrical component that connects two shafts and ensures that the movement between them happens smoothly and efficiently. The machined bars are then inserted into the bushing, creating a sort of union between the two shafts. But for all of this to stay in place, a crucial step is required: welding. After the bars are inserted into the bushing, they are internally welded, which securely fixes them in place. The welding ensures that the bars won't come loose during the machine's operation, and that they can transmit torque without compromising stability. This process must be done carefully to avoid deformations that could interfere with the performance of the reduction gearbox. Now, in systems like reduction gearboxes, what happens is that the movement of one shaft is transmitted to the other, with a reduction in speed but an increase in torque. The union bushing and the welded bars play a fundamental role in this motion transmission, ensuring that the shafts can move efficiently, without excessive friction, and without compromising the system's durability. This type of union is used in a variety of machines and industrial equipment, providing the necessary strength to move heavy components efficiently and without failures. So, when you see a reduction gearbox in operation, remember, the precise machining of the bars and the welding in the union bushing are part of the process that ensures everything works like a well-adjusted machine. Let me know if you need any adjustments.